Hey everyone, so I did a gun safe review a few months ago, and one question a lot of people have asked is, do I have any problems with humidity storing my safe in my garage? So just to let everybody know, my garage is heated. I just finished it probably like 6 months ago, and I put the gun safe out here because it's the most practical place in my house to put it. There's not really any great place, and the garage seems like the best fit. So I have a Goldenrod dehumidifier in the safe in addition to keeping the garage heated, and I haven't had any problems with humidity. I have a hygrometer in the safe, and in a perfect world around room temperature 70 degrees or so, it's ideal conditions to have around 30 to 50% relative humidity in a gun safe. Any less than that, you can start to create problems with wooden stocks and so on, and anything more than that, you run the risk of rust somewhere. So my safe is usually around 47 to 49 degrees percent relative humidity. So as a whole, that's where it's at whenever I open the safe up and take a look at it. Now I've had the safe open for a little bit of time just to kind of get everything ready for the video, so it's a bit different now than it was. But in general, that's usually always where it is when I've had the safe closed for an extended period of time. Now I also put a little bit of weather stripping on the inside of this door to help keep this thing tight, kind of independent from the external room temperature and room environment that the safe is in, which in this case is my garage. So even in the summers, like I said, I haven't had an issue, and I think a big part of it is putting that weather stripping on the doors and running this dehumidifier that's in the safe. I'll show you guys the Goldenrod dehumidifier. It's a very popular selling dehumidifier, and in general I'll talk a little bit about it and why I think it works good for what I have. So I have a 2-foot Goldenrod dehumidifier, and they're called dehumidifiers, but the truth is I don't think they're really dehumidifiers. I think they're more of a dryer. They sort of just dry the air that's inside the safe. They don't really dehumidify. They just sort of pull the moisture out of the air by drying it, if that makes sense, by eliminating it, not so much pulling the moisture out. So there's tons of different sizes that you can get with these Goldenrod dehumidifiers. Again, mine's the 2-foot. It doesn't get extremely hot. Could it burn you? Yeah, I guess it could burn you, but here I am touching it. It's warm to the touch, but in general, it's not gonna burn you real bad if you brush up against it. It just keeps a general amount of heat going to it to circulate it through the cabinet. And you can see here I have a couple gun stocks right next to it. Haven't had any problems with either of those, with those wooden stocks. Any rust that I've seen that's on these guns was rust that was established before the guns were in this safe. I haven't had any issues with it. And it's very low profile, very slim, very inexpensive. I think this 2-foot one is around $40 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. But in general, that's it. So you guys can see that's the 2-foot Goldenrod. They make them longer, they make them shorter. For my size safe, this was the best bang for your buck, and it's done really well in this setup. So I definitely recommend getting a Goldenrod dehumidifier. They're a great way to dry the moisture out of your gun safe and protect everything that's in there. So I'd recommend it. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you have any questions, definitely leave them down below in the description, or in the comments, and I'll get back to you. Thanks. Bye.